Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today's video I'm gonna be making some patties, some ground chicken patties, and I'm going to share that with you guys. So I already did the dough, and I did put some color in it just to have like a yellow look to the dough. I did shred some carrots and some garlic, ginger, and some thyme. And this is the minced chicken. So let's get this cooked first. I'm not going to cook this, so when it's done, I'm gonna add these into it. I have this here, it's going to wet. When it's half cooked, I'll come back and show you guys everything.
Now I'm adding the seasonings: curry, salt, mixed seasoning, and hot pepper sauce.
Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up.
Ketchup. If you have tomato puree or pizza sauce, spaghetti sauce, you can always use it. Whatever tomato product you have on hand. I'm just gonna cover it. It's actually a lot more orangey than what the camera showed. I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook for like 5 minutes and let the water reduce so they have like a thick sauce basically. So I'm just gonna let this cook for a little while more until this is almost done, and then we're gonna roll it and put the minced meat in it, and then we're going to fry it. So done. Yeah. And I got lots of track of time, so I did not get to do this. So punch it and roll it out. Because I want this to be a shorter video, I'm gonna roll it out and then come back.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
Guys, these are how they're looking once they're done. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys in the next one.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?